have a Airjitzu wire and it's Zane. And there are others like Kai, Jay, Cole, Morrow, and it goes. But later on, in the future of sets, there's going to be a Nia and a Lloyd. And so let's get this thing open.
All right, Alex, so tell us what you got here. Who is this minifigure?
Zane.
That's Zane? Okay, so what does he have in his hands?
Shurikens.
All right.
And he's the Ice Ninja.
Can you possibly remove his hood? Let's see the face under the mask. That is the one and only Titanium Ninja?
Uh-huh.
Let's see, we're getting a good close-up here. There we go. That looks pretty cool. All right, we'll put his helmet back on. I can't take that face. All right, cool. All right, now we got some extra weapons here. Those are pretty cool.
Yeah.
You know what those are called?
No.
No, no idea.
I don't even know what
All
these
right.
are called, even though they said they were weapons.
Those are pretty interesting extra pieces.
Well, if you look in the box,
Show us the box.
it doesn't look like it has it on there, but by there it says weapons and on the instructions it also says it, because see?
Okay, so maybe those go in his hands. They're used for something.
Or maybe,
I don't know. So how about, can you show us how to put it in the Airjitzu spinner?
so what you'll have to do is you'll have to take my goodness. Oh my God.
There you go. Turn it.
His shurikens can fit in there too. And then there's things right there, and you gotta like hook them like that.
The little notches keep them in place.
Yeah, and you
Okay.
see that there's that. So you
Let's see, let's get a closer look. Okay.
that, and there's like lines up here, and then you just put it in through it,
Okay.
and then if you want to take it out,
Wow.
and
All right, here's one more look at Zane, the Airjitzu Zane.
bye guys, and thank you for watching.
Do you want to show him a little preview of what you're going to build next?
Sure. No. We kind of got it before we had a YouTube channel, so then after that, we wanted to build ever since. So
Alright.
I'm going to
You'll
build.
see it soon.
Just subscribe, and then you'll know when it is.
All right. Thanks.
Bye.